Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to see about the introduction to measuring instruments. So the measuring instrument, why do we need measuring instrument in electrical side or electronic side? So normally there are three basic electrical quantity, that is nothing but current, voltage and power. And the last final one with respect to the power, and that is nothing but the fourth one is energy. So these are the basic electrical quantity. Okay, voltage, current, power and energy. So these are the measuring instruments. To measure the voltage, we are using the voltmeter. To measure the current, we are using the ammeter. To measure the wattmeter, to measure the power, we are using the wattmeter. To measure the energy, we are using the energy meters. The basic requirement of measuring instrument. Number one, the operation, output and actual condition of circuit should not be altered or changed. The quantity to be measured should not be affected by the measuring instruments, and the measuring instrument should consume only less power. So these are the basic requirement for the measuring instruments. And the types of measuring instruments, there are normally three types of measuring instruments. One is indicating instruments, and recording instrument, and integrating instruments. So the indicating instruments are ammeter and voltmeter, just like our watches. Okay, so now what is the time? Just we are saying that time is at something. It indicates some point, that is 3, 4, 5, 6 something. The needle, it indicate now what is the time. That is nothing but indicating. So the indicating instruments are voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeters are the indicating instruments. And the recording instruments, they record with respect to the time. So like XY plotter, ECG recorder, or we can able to store some amount of data. So at this time, what is the value? At this time, what is the value? Currently, what is the value? We can able to see the stored value. That is nothing but recording instruments. And the integrating instruments is nothing but energy meter. Now today we are consuming almost over 10 units, and after 10 days we are not using, but on the 11th day again we are on a switch on some of load, and again it will be start with 11. Okay, after 10 where we left the units, again start there itself. So it will be always integrating, it will be cumulative. That's why it is called integrating instruments. And the basic principle. Okay, so how the pointer is working, it is with respect to the some of the deflection torque. What are the essential torque which is required for the indicating instruments? One is deflection torque, and second one controlling torque, and third one damping torque. So these are the three essential torque which is required to operate the instruments. So what is the deflection torque? The pointer, it move from 0 to some value. The pointer, it move from 0 to some value. So we need some force. We need some force to move the pointer from 0 to some value. So the force which is given is nothing but deflection torque. It is based on the magnitude of voltage or current. Okay. And next one is controlling torque. Just if we are pushing the needle, again it goes suddenly to the last, but it won't go because there will be a spring which is connected in the shaft. If the needle gets movable, the spring which is connected with the needle, it's get expanded. So it will be slowly moving. At some particular point, it will be hold on. It will be hold on because the force which is given, deflection force, which is equal to the controlling force which is given by the spring. If both are equal, it will be stand in some point, but it will be oscillate like this. So in order to reduce this oscillation, we are unable to read the exact value. So that with the help of this damping torque, we are avoiding, we are minimizing the damping or oscillation of the needle, so that we can able to measure the exact one. And this is the assessment. The dash is used mainly for the deflection torque. It makes the pointer move from 0 position to the final position. And the second one, damping is used to reduce dash of pointer and also to reach the rest position of the pointer. So put your answer in the comment section, and this is the IQ. Guess the instrument name. What type of instrument we are used for the measurement of some voltage, current or power, whatever it may be, nothing. Okay, just you can tell me the instrument's name. And these are the applications which are used for the electric motor industry, electric lift industry, fan industry, TNEB, etc. And these are the few references. Thank you.